things that I particularly hate? Really? Kids, animals, and women with attitudes. So tell me, Jet, why do we have all three of them neatly gathered in our ship?
Let's see if this audio is picking up. I believe so, and don't have the audio feedback, but I hope it's working. Let me check the audio with the all right, so I confirmed the audio is picking up, so I will now image hide this and macOS screen. Alright, so I'm just gonna video capture. So I have to delete. Why isn't this showing up? I'm supposed to be seeing the window capture. Window. Okay, there. So let me check. So sending a message to my friend to ask questions, but I will watch the chat and I'm going to go over this module 3 and let's go over the whole module and then first to take a step back and okay, so the main point is to build a professional website and deploy it on a domain name. So I will buy a domain name and have a really nice website there using Hermes agent and skills. This is the table of contents. Let's see. Not there anyway. And there's a quiz at the end. Okay, let me post the YouTube link. Alright, so what I will do, so to recap from last time, I created a first website with HTML and CSS, and it was designed, and now I want to deploy it, redesign it, make it look really good, and have it on a live domain name. So right now it's 4:11 p.m. By 5:11 this should be done. So I will start with, let's look where the last website was. So here is my second brain areas. Maybe it's projects, fence for you. So this is where I left off last time, and so by the end of this video, I want to have it redesigned, looking very professional and live at a URL. So let me go to second brain, and here I will start Hermes agent, and change the model to fast. And so my first step will be to buy the domain name and deploy it on Vercel on a free tier through GitHub, and then find a website of a design that I like, and then have it re-implemented. So in here, in the steps, I have a different plan. So creating skills. Maybe I will do that too, but let me buy the domain name first. I just have to find the exact domain name that was there, that I wanted, that my friend wanted me to use. So this is a website that my friend actually wants me to build. By this domain name. So this is actually taken, so what can I do? I will just deploy it to just Vercel, a free domain. So let me sign into Vercel. And there's a free deployment. So I'm signing into Vercel projects. So I will, I have to add this to a GitHub repo, and that's what I'll do here. CD second frame, CD docs, second frame projects. Hi, how's it going? Yeah, I'm doing good.
For your you got a reservation here, right?
Yes.
For 20 packs, right?
5 to 20. Yes, from
it's under which name?
under Tomo, from 4 under Tomo,
Oh,
from 4
3 to 8 p.m., right?
Yep. CD ls. So here, create a new GitHub repository. Create a GitHub repo and new repository. Stands for you. Make it private and create repository. Then so now I add all the changes into Git and git push set upstream origin main. Let me try this. Git push set upstream origin. Nope. Git branch. That should be. So I add the changes. Git commit -m initial commit. Then I should be able to push. So I could have just asked Hermes to do that, but so next I will connect it to the Vercel, and okay, in the module here, so I was also using Obsidian for the module for looking at the files, and I have the student guide here, which includes in module 3 working with Val AI. So Val AI hosts a lot of open source models that you can use to generate videos. That would look good for a website. Another website, I can just search professional 3D website interactive. And I want to create like a very nice website that looks interactive and nice. I could just ask Hermes agent, and I will use Handy. So Handy is speech to text model using Whisper. So I will give me some advice about creating a professional, beautiful landing page website with a lot of 3D interactivity. Recommend some places where I can find designs as examples and what frameworks to use and how to generate them, and if there's any AI models that can be used for this. So I can also just use like Gemini AI or ChatGPT as my second assistant. That's just like use the free tier to have multiple AIs, and they don't need to have my state or anything. And I can just have multiple questions, like multiple AIs just answer this question. So the same content, I could just use it across your favorite AI models. So let's see. Okay, let's use Spline with this HTML and CSS website. I also want to redesign the color palette and the design of the app of the website completely. We're only dealing with talking about the Fence for You website, and so create the plan for how to implement this. And I also have a lot of the images there from the examples of what the fences look like, that they can be used to inspire the 3D generated the 3D objects, and that can be also inform the brand of the website. So it will continue with this, and here I can just look at images. So maybe website design. Let's look for examples, and so while that's happening, I will get this. So this is their logo. Okay, where's the logo? This is the logo, and also look at the videos. There's videos. There's the assets here. What examples of the fences? What they look like. These are pretty good. Like. Let's see. I want to use this to find the best one. Probably maybe this one. This fence clear example. I will just resize this. So just using simple. Oh, okay. This is a video. Okay, now I want to go. Just take this still. Edit. Can I take a still? Window for size. Show export. Can I file export? I'm just gonna screenshot this. Then the screenshot appears in my desktop. Move it into here. Fence example 1, so I will just use that. Now let's see. Okay, so this is going, and yeah, so Kuta, friend, asking about Whisper Arts. So I have the logo also in here. So I want to ask it to. I'm going to ask just Claude to take this. Now take this logo from a fence brand company that installs fences, and now from this we want to extract a style guide, color palette, fonts, and style guide for our website and for our entire brand. So create a markdown file that will define all of this. Let's see, it did upload. And here is the JPEG. There's this. What is this? Hi. 3D. So maybe. How can you not find the Hermes project? You were just looking at it. I mean, the Fence for You project. So I will open. So Fence for You. This is the copy path from Visual Studio Code and paste it into here. The style guide for the new website redesign. So I will copy this. No, copy. And inside of here, I will just create new file. Style guide.d. Use the style guide.d file in the root. And now I actually want to know about what is the best technology here. Is it now what is the best technology for my AI agent to use to generate code, like for the HTML? Is it Spline or is it Three.js? Because I can migrate from HTML to React. Just tell me what is the best to have the best output for my coding agent. All right, so let's not do Spline. Let's just do Three.js. Help me write a good prompt for creating a Three.js for a landing page for a Fence website with and here are some examples of what the Fence looks like, what the product looks like. They installed these for clients in Chicago. So be a director and help me think of an image for that could be rendered in Three.js that would be useful for this. That would be great for this. So I'm just going to ask Gemini to be my prompt assistant, and then Hermes, the I'm still surprised it doesn't get like the full picture. So did he create an implementation plan? Remember, in this project should only your agent role is only exists inside of documents / second brain. Do not search across any other folders, and save that in the hermes.md file or anywhere else that's needed such that you remember that. What? So here's the 5%. So Gemini came up with a pretty good answer. All right, let's generate a full set of instructions for my coding agent to build this in Three.js and using Next.js to migrate the existing HTML and CSS website to this, and use this image as the example of what the fence looks like, such that we can create this three-dimensional scene in Three.js. So I'm asking it to create the prompt. All right, and it's 4:38. I'm just going to do 10 more minutes and then I'll be done. And then let's see. This is deployed. It has to migrate it to Next.js. Now first, let's rewrite the whole website to be just simple Next.js and Tailwind, and get it ready to deploy to Vercel. So make sure that it can be deployable to Vercel without any errors, and let's use TypeScript, and let's make it more modern, and use the color palette and in this style guide, and make sure that we are using all of our existing images, and the logo is visible there. So this, I'm going to change it actually to coding. Change the agent to coding model. Now have it do this. And meanwhile, let's connect this to Vercel. New project. That's for you. All right, import project name, application presets. I'm going to say it's Next.js, even though it's not yet. Okay, I'm just going to let it go. And let's see, there's a gallery here. I like this gallery. It's nice. Oh, it's got to have a lot more. Yeah, this looks nice. So this works. Now this. Let's see how the agent is doing. Let's change the prompt to remove the mention of migrating to Next.js, because another agent had already done that. So now let's just focus on the 3D effect using Three.js and the brand. Okay, so sometimes it does this where Handy just copies the wrong one. So I will do this. And meanwhile, I am watching it while it's doing this. I'm gonna take a 5-minute break. So I will
You told me once to forget the past, because it doesn't matter. But nothing good came of it. There was no place for me to return to. This was the only place I could go. Think of an image for that to be rendered in Three.js that would be useful for this. Connect this to think of an image for that to be rendered in Three.js. Okay, so now I am back. Okay, so just checking. Now, let me just Google what is the best coding AI model on Open Router. Okay, so
open router. I just want the best. Let's go models. Coding. This one, $1 per million tokens versus Opus 5. Okay, I want it just the best that there is. That's not gonna Opus 5. No, I'm just gonna use the Claude Opus 5. And then I'm gonna change set model. Set new open router model on Hermes agent terminal. Let's see best way to do this. How do I give it a name for a preset? So I want to have a name. So I want to be like coding best. Let's see what Hermes is doing. It's going. Hermes profile create preset name. Hermes profile create coding best. Let me open up the Obsidian, and here do Hermes course material module. I'm gonna do new notes, Hermes notes, and then save the preset name is coding best. Now I will set the model name. And then how can I launch it? P coding best. So this is how I can launch it. But I want to go be in the root of second brain. I already set my API keys there. Okay, well it should work. So now what I want to do is just have a new tab where I can go to CD documents, second brain, projects, fence for you, ls, npm run dev. I just open this on the side. Maybe I can just open it here. See what it looks like. Failed. Alright, anyway, what I can do now is get it started on the 3JS. Prompt. Okay, I will let it finish here. But on this side, it's the coding best. Now I'm gonna ask it to, inside the Next.js app that we have here at inside of projects/fence for you, we're building the Next.js landing page, and we want to create a beautiful 3D interactive scene as described below using 3JS, and take into account, what the actual fence looks like. Look in the assets folder to find the examples of the example images of the fence. Then I will just paste the prompt. The whole prompt is there. Okay, well, I'm just using this as a scratch pad. And now in here, now it's I'm telling it to well, all right, I should not have to enter that in. I should preset coding best. Let's go, let's go. Will it just take that command or not? Goodbye. Hermes, what's going on? Let's see. And ready to deploy. Let's see, what's GS? Is there a git ignore that it created? Because I don't want to be pushing. Yes, very good. You're a good coding agent. You're creating git add everything, git commit -m, Next.js migration, git push, that will deploy it hopefully to Vercel. And now on this side, I will set and just launch it with the best coding agent. Why you do this? Ah, yeah. Can I just configure the so at 5:10, I'm gonna call it. It'll be 10 minutes exactly. So I'm gonna create. I can just do this. This is coding fast. This is really not good, but this often happens. There's all of these edge cases. Let's try again. Looks like it's working, so now I will just take the prompt from here, Hi. Can I order something? Now that I have this is happening, and now let's see if the Next.js app is happening. Hi. Can I order something? Do you have like the prawn, the surf and turf thing for 20 steak and meat and shrimp?
We have for the meal we have sandwich.
Or do you have? Because I saw the on the wall in the bathroom.
Surf and turf.
Yeah.
Surf and turf is only Friday.
Wednesday. Oh, it says Wednesday there.
Yeah, it's the Friday.
But it says,
for the, is the our roasted the one.
Oh, but okay. It just.
Mostly we only have like that.
Oh, it said Wednesday on
Surf
the
and turf
poster.
menu.
Okay. Can I have the Molly's burger? The Molly's burger.
Okay, Molly burger, doneness you want? How doneness?
Well done.
Well done. Okay, Molly burger, well done.
Mm-hmm.
Anything else?
No, that's it. Thank you.
Anything you want?
No drink. Thank you. Deployed. So let's see what is the Where's the domain name? Thanks for you. Look at this. Oh, it's missing the Twitter. I mean the TikTok link. Why is the TikTok link missing? Okay, so let's check on the best coding agent. Looks like it's just gonna go off Python. And so basically, to recap, what I did here is modules, okay, so Obsidian is laggy, which is not good. But there, I can take this away. Namecheap. So I decided not to go for this because I have to check with the friend if they actually bought the domain name they said they wanted, or somebody else bought it, and then I have to use a different one. And so that's not gonna. So this is the GitHub repository. So that's where you store your code, and there's a live website. It's looking good, and I want to see. I want to go into the Obsidian folder. Inside of the module 3, I went over connecting with Val AI, which hosts a lot of the best open source models. And I was thinking I would use that to generate like a video for the fence. That would be amazing and beautiful. But I don't think that is the best plan. Just instead use Three.js to create this interactive, beautiful website. But I can maybe cover that in another module. If anybody's interested in that, please leave a comment. So there it asks you to check in with your agent to summarize what happened last time. So Val AI stuff, Val AI, I can skip this. This is what I talked about, turning a video from a photograph. Look at, okay, so rebuild, something breaks. Now, let's see, ready to deploy, and this is coding, and this is, so it's already deployed, and it's pretty good. It's pretty professional and clean, and I can send this to my friend, my client friend, and get his feedback and make any changes he wants. They could be like vinyl, composite, all aluminum, gates. This is just automatically beautiful. And then it has these gallery here. FAQ. And let's see. I'm not sure if this works, but let's see how much I slash cost. Usage. Okay, so I used maybe like $3 today, $4.29 today. That's a lot. Actually, it's a lot. And yeah, maybe like Claude Code subscription for $20 can give you more. That's hard to beat, but this is real. But yeah, you can use. I use Claude Code with the same folder structure and same skills. You can use that alongside Hermes. All right, I'm gonna let this finish, and I'm gonna conclude module 3 here, and call it a win. That I'm gonna send this to my friend and be like, "This, what do you think of this? Pretty good website." And then by the time this agent finishes, it will have a beautiful 3D video. So that's gonna be awesome. So I'm gonna end it here, and thank you for watching, and sending you good thoughts, frequencies, and vibrations. May you be free from suffering. Peace.